ready to roll. Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alyssa if you don't know me already. So as you can see by the title of this video, I'm getting very excited because it is almost time for me to go on a little mini vacation. I guess it's not really mini, it's just straight up a vacation. So my boyfriend and I are going to visit Salem, Massachusetts, and we're going there for sure one of the days out of our trip, but we have like 4 full days booked out. So the other days, I guess we're gonna kind of just hang out on the East Coast. We might go up to like the Maine shoreline and just see kind of what's in the area around Boston as well. Both John and I have actually never really been to the East Coast. The only time that I went is when I went to New York with my finance group, which go watch that video if you want to see everything that I did in New York. But with that being said, I just figured it would be kind of interesting and fun to bring you guys with me as I'm prepping for this trip and just kind of show like everything that goes in behind the scenes. I know for guys it's like so much easier. They literally just wake up the morning of and like throw clothes in a suitcase and they're like. However, for women, I feel like we spend way more time like preparing for trips and getting ready, and I like to watch those kind of videos myself, so just figured it'd be kind of fun to bring you guys with me for it. But with all that being said, starting the day off with an Alani in the Witch's Brew flavor. Honestly, this is my favorite, so I should probably add that to my list of things to do before I leave, is to stock up before they're gone. But I did come up with things that I need to do before I leave for this trip, and then like things I need to pick up from the store. I guess I can put on screen like everything that I typically plan to do before I leave for a trip. First thing I would like to do today actually is redo my nails. So my toenails and my fingernails. Right now we're just rocking the natural look, but I would really like to redo my nails for like the Halloween/fall time. Actually, first I'm gonna redo my toes because I can't really do like my fingernails and then get nail polish remover on them after. Honestly, I'm just gonna do white. That's my classic go-to whenever I have to do a pedicure. I'm not gonna show you guys on camera because we're not getting any free foot content on this channel, sorry. So I'm gonna do that off camera and then check back in with you guys in a sec. Alright, I just did a pedicure and redid my toenails off camera, and now it is time to redo my fingernails. And I like doing it over here because then I can watch other YouTubers or podcasts or something. I'd say on average it usually takes me like 2.5 hours to do my nails, so I'm gonna be here for a while. So usually I kind of have like an idea of what I want to do, but honestly I just did like black sparkly French tips and it had some jewels on them, and I kind of want to do something similar, but I feel like that's kind of lame to do like the same thing twice. So I think I'm just gonna go through Pinterest and see kind of what piques my attention as far as like Halloween themed nails. Okay, I like these, I just don't really have something that's that small of a tip. This is like simplistic enough, or I feel like I could probably do it. And then it's a little bit different from kind of what I've been doing, so honestly I might do the ghosts. Because I have orange, I have white, and I have black. Oh, these are really cute too. There's just like too many cute ideas, I want to do them all. Ugh. You know what, I think I'm gonna do like both. So I can do some nails that have the ghosts on it, and then I can do some that have some orange like French tip style with like Frankenstein. We're just gonna freestyle it, so let's get started.
It's some of these things. So, and there's like a bunch of Twitter guys that are very proud of it. Yeah. We got like 10 million. Sounds like a wet dream.
Love pop punk.
So I got the nails on. I think I'm just gonna trim them down a little bit, and then usually what I do is do one of the nude colored builder gels, just so that way if it's like clear in one spot, it looks like my skin color underneath. And then we're gonna start painting from there.
I just haven't decided on the finalizing of that. But this August 2023, next is Amazon. So because I'm
cash in my hometown, but for whatever reason, you have all of your money separated out. Money will be in the bank. I'm gonna know is what my parents need to pay for a little while, but it is back in the shop. So I paid $700.
Guys, I am liking these nails. It's kind of reminding me of like the Sanderson sisters a little bit, but then I'm gonna do on the white nails little eyeballs, so it can be kind of like little ghosts. Oh my god, this is gonna be so cute. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's definitely giving like vibrant Halloween, but I'm not mad at that because it's kind of my Halloween aesthetic. On to the next thing. Alright guys, it's been a long time since I caught up with you, and so far the only thing I've done is my nails. But to be fair, that takes up a while, so that was like 3 hours of my day just doing that. Anyways, next thing I need to do is I need to get my toiletry bag all situated, and then that will also kind of indicate like what I need to buy from the store. But I think for the most part I do have everything I'll need in like travel size. So with that being said, I'm just gonna get started and see what I have to work with for now. So this is like the drawer I just keep anything in that I may need to travel with. So usually I just use this clear bag to put all of my stuff for the shower and like stuff that gets wet in. I haven't even used these yet, but they're like these little travel trivia question things. But after I bought this, I looked through them and they're all like about other countries, and like I don't know anything about other countries. Like, if I'm being honest with you, I'm just that type of American, so we're just gonna keep that here. I really like to use this bag, so I might put like my toothbrush and other stuff in this one just because it's honestly cute. Oh, one other thing I wanted to do also is upstairs I have like a smaller wallet. So this is my wallet that I typically use on like day-to-day, but it's kind of big, and whenever I'm traveling I like to have more of like this size just so that it's not as easy to get stolen. So I guess I can go find that next. Alright, so like I said, downstairs this is the bag that I typically like to use for this kind of stuff that gets like wet. So for one, I'm gonna need a loofah, and then I do still have this travel size like body gel from Bath & Body Works. And then I did find my travel size bottles that are able to go through security from like the last trip, and there is still shampoo and conditioner in them. I'm not going to use the body wash one. I'm just going to refill the shampoo one a little bit. And truly we're only going to be there for like 4 days total, so I probably will only shower like twice. Okay, and then for conditioner, this is the one I've been using recently. Oh god. And conditioner is something I'd rather have like more of than less of. And then a razor in case I want to use that. I'm just putting like a travel one. So I think I'll need to pick up some shaving cream in like a small size. Okay, I think that's pretty much everything. And then I'm just gonna bring my toothbrush, and I just have this little holder that I actually used to have like a skinny electric toothbrush in, but I don't really use it anymore because I have that one. And then something I've learned to bring also are the little picks for like floss. Maybe like a lotion too. I guess I'll start with just putting everything in here that I can. That can go in here. I did find one of the travel size dry shampoos, and this one actually was gifted to me by Batiste. That's one of like the very first brands that has ever given me some free products, so shout out to Batiste. And then my perfume, again, has to be small enough to bring, so I'm just bringing one of the ones from Victoria's Secret. So I think this will be bag number 1. Okay, and then bag number 2 is going to be a little bit on the smaller side, but I will probably switch some stuff around that can go in there for now, I guess. This ain't going to fit in there, but this is my Hello Kitty like headband for washing my face, so obviously I need to bring that with. This lash clean is really, really good if you have fake lashes that you always wear. But what I have been doing for travel, since it's small enough, is just taking my clear water, or whatever this is called. And then we're just gonna take a plastic bag to put some of these little like cotton round thingies in. And since my brain really can't comprehend how many I'll need, I feel like this will be enough. And I found that deodorant, so I'm gonna add that to this one. Okay, and then I think that's honestly everything toiletry wise that I need to bring, so should be good there. Okay, now this next thing you can call me disgusting for, but my makeup brushes, I think we're going on like a month straight of not cleaning them. Pretty disgusting, and honestly that's probably where like my acne comes from. So with that being said, figured it would be a good time to clean that. Okay, we're gonna start with my big poof brush because this is the one I probably use the most. y'all. You can tell that I use this one for my face makeup because it's like a nude color. This one, I already know it's gonna be like bright pink. Yep. I have these hair extensions from Amazon and I wear them all the time. So only thing is my hair is kind of more like icy toned and these are a little bit more bronze. This is not real hair, so I don't know if this is gonna work at all. Plan is to bring the extensions with me on the trip. But I would love if they matched a little bit more, and I've wore them quite a few times, so it's about that time anyways to wash them. So figured I will try the purple shampoo and see if that makes them a little bit more of like the same color that my actual hair is. This is definitely odd to be doing. I have no idea if this is gonna work or not, so we'll see. Okay, that's just gonna sit for a few minutes. Okay, it is getting kind of dark outside, but now I'm gonna head over to Target. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna get another travel size one of these as well because I honestly go through them very quick. So I kind of need hairspray, but like I don't want to spend $10 on that, and I'll probably just use it that one time. Okay, they didn't have like a big pack of these anywhere, but I just got the 2 for $5 because they are on sale. And then kind of random things. I think I'm just gonna use this through the security instead because I know it'll be able to go through. And then John was like, get water, so this is the haul. Also guys, stop it right now. This is my favorite kind of Pop-Tarts, so we will be adding that to the cart as well. I know it's like Christmas themed, I do not care. It is not too early. Guys, Target really said we're gonna be Lululemon now. I honestly do not hate this mocha colored top. It's kind of similar to what I'm wearing right now. This one is also from Target. Good morning guys, it is actually the next day now. I'm actually wearing this shirt that I got at Target yesterday and I really do like this color and it's like a very buttery material, so thumbs up on that. I'll leave it below if you also want it. I wish they had it in like the mocha color, but whatever, it's fine. Anyway, so today I figured it would be nice to just pack my bag beforehand. That way I know for sure if everything will fit in my bag and if I need to kind of adjust any of my outfits that I have planned. And you may call me like so extra for doing this, but on screen these are my outfits that I'm planning on wearing to this trip. This is something that I did for the New York trip that really helped because this way I can kind of reuse pieces from different outfits so that I don't have to pack like one thing I'm only gonna wear one day, for example. So this is kind of the vibe we're going for, mostly neutrals and kind of like more of a fall color scheme. So with that, I'm gonna go grab my suitcase and see if anything will not fit because that's kind of where I'm at right now, is thinking everything might not fit in my carry-on bag. Let me go grab that. Alright y'all, here she be. So as you can see, it's not like super big, but I do really like this one. It's a good size for travel. Got my little avocado here in case it gets lost. And I just got this from, I think like TJ Maxx or something a couple years ago. Okay, that did not do what I was trying to do. Got my travel pillow. Don't think I'm gonna bring it though, just cause like, it's not that long of a flight. I think it's like 3 hours or something. This suitcase is smaller than I thought. Okay, this is my travel outfit, minus the shoes for day one. Can't forget the hat. I don't know if I'll actually wear this or not, depending on like if my hair looks good, but I feel good about this being a travel day fit though. I mean, so far, depending on like weather, if it's hot outside, this might not be the vibe, let alone adding a blazer jacket, but let's see. I mean, it does feel a bit businessy compared to kind of the vibe I was envisioning, but I don't know. This is what it looks like. Let me know what your guys' thoughts are on this outfit. I don't know if I'm like 100% in love with it, and then thinking about it, this will be the outfit that like all of my Salem pictures are in, so just trying to imagine. Also, my hair is probably gonna be like either curled, or I'll have my extensions in and like a cute ponytail or something, or like braids. It's not like an ugly outfit, I just feel like it's kind of boring. My butt looks kind of good in these pants though. So this is like outfit 3, probably for when we are just having like a road trip up the East Coast kind of vibes. Maybe like when we are going to see Maine for the day. Honestly, this new top kind of works as like a base top if it's not like cold outside. But if it is, I do have this coat, so I could wear this. I might take the hood off because that's kind of excessive. This coat is actually like reversible, so I can put it the other way too if I want the fuzzy side to be in. And yeah, I don't know if I'm vibing with the top of that. I definitely look like I belong on the East Coast in this outfit, I feel like, so there's that. One thing I learned when I went to Chicago and literally didn't pack any winter coat at all is like pack a winter coat just in case. This should work. I'm just worried about it fitting in that suitcase. So this is outfit 4, so whenever we're touring either Yale or Harvard University. And I actually just went ahead and added the blazer from last time that I didn't love, and I feel like with this outfit it works a lot better. I don't know if I love the shoes with it, and I'm like, is it worth packing these shoes if I'm not gonna wear them? I don't know. This is a tennis skirt, so I don't know if like the vibe really matches that greatest. I mean, my hair is not styled at all, but this is kind of more what it would look like, I guess. Alright, this is the outfit for the very last day, and this would just be kind of like a travel day / exploring around the Boston area a little bit. Honestly, I feel like this is kind of like an unnecessary outfit. Like, I don't really need to pack these pants. I could probably just wear the leggings or something from a different day. So, and then I also did just swap the top for the white one so it matched like the belt and everything. I feel like this is kind of like a lighter look that the rest of the outfits don't really have. I might bring it if there's room, I might not, we'll see. You'll see in like 2 seconds. But I do think this is like an overall cute outfit though. Now time to start putting everything in that suitcase. Guys, at this point I've changed my wardrobe so much it does not even look like my inspiration photos. I think I have pretty much everything figured out for outfits. The very last thing I like to do is put an air tag somewhere in here, or like clip it to my little avocado thing on the side. I think we're ready to roll. Something I terminally do not want to do. I gotta clean out the fridge. Let's see what we got going on. And here's the thing. There is a little bit of milk in here, but what if I want it in the next day? Anything and everything. That could go bad. Does he want me to throw away his salad? We're still here tomorrow, so I don't really know. Alright guys, I'm just gonna end the vlog here because I still have to edit the vlog before we leave for the trip, and by the time you're watching this it would be on Sunday, so that means I'm actually still kind of floating around the Boston area. So if you're from Boston or if you've been there before, make sure to comment down below what activities I should do for the day, because honestly I don't really have like a ton planned, so any suggestions you guys have would be fun. As far as what I still need to do, I just need a fake tan, check the mail, and then get all my like tech items charged and ready to go. But I think we're pretty on track, so hopefully this was entertaining for you guys to watch. I like watching these videos and just seeing what other people do while they're getting ready for vacation. Obviously, make sure to subscribe if you guys want to see how the trip went. Also follow me on Instagram because I'm sure I'll be posting a ton on there as well. Otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!